The Modern, a Hilton Vacation Club in Waikiki, Honolulu, Hawaii, is a stylish, contemporary resort-style hotel that blends modern design with Hawaiian hospitality, ideally positioned just minutes from the sands of Waikiki Beach and the vibrant shopping and dining along Kalakaua Avenue. This placement provides easy access to Honolulu's attractions, while maintaining a slightly more relaxed atmosphere compared to properties directly on the beach. The property is known for its sleek, light-filled interiors and thoughtful architectural details that create a relaxing, yet upscale atmosphere. Suites vary from comfortable studio layouts to spacious one-bedroom and penthouse units, many of which offer sweeping ocean, city, pool or marina views and private terraces. Furnishings often feature custom pieces, teak window screens, and terrazzo countertops that reflect a blend of contemporary and island aesthetics. Guests at the Modern can enjoy an array of resort amenities designed for both relaxation and recreation. The hotel features an inviting outdoor pool area adjacent to the marina, complete with dining and lounging spaces, perfect for soaking up Hawaiian sunshine. A well-equipped fitness center helps travelers keep up with their workout routines, while on-site dining at the Grove offers al fresco meals with beautiful views. Concierge services, complimentary Wi-Fi, and other guest services such as dry cleaning and a business center further enhance the experience. Location is one of the Modern's strong points. It sits on Moana Boulevard in the heart of Waikiki, within walking distance to Waikiki Beach and a short stroll to Moana Center, one of Hawaii's premier shopping destinations. Travelers appreciate the Modern for its contemporary style and comfortable accommodations, though reviews note that some amenities may feel slightly dated compared with newer luxury hotels, and its location, while excellent for many, is a bit removed from the busiest central Waikiki beachfront. Overall, it's well suited for visitors seeking a balance of modern design, convenient locale, and relaxed island vibe. Waikiki area near the modern resort is one of the most iconic and lively parts of the island of Oahu, blending world-famous beaches, vibrant cultural experiences, diverse dining, and ample shopping within a very walkable urban coastal neighborhood. Waikiki stretches roughly 1.5 miles long and about half a mile deep, making most major attractions, restaurants, and beaches accessible on foot or via short ride shares from the modern in just a few minutes. The Modern itself sits close to the Alawai smallboat harbor and just inland from the main Waikiki Strip, offering quieter surroundings yet easy access to the beach and Waikiki's bustling heart. Natural beauty is a defining feature of this area. Waikiki Beach and nearby stretches like Kuhio Beach Park provide iconic white sand and gentle surf ideal for swimming, boogie boarding, and beginner surfing conditions that have made Waikiki famous worldwide. Along the beachfront, you'll find public statues like the Duke Paoa Kahanamoku statue, celebrating the legendary Hawaiian surfer and Olympic swimmer. Parks such as Fort DeRussy Beach Park offer shaded lawns, picnic spaces, and relaxing spots just steps from the ocean, perfect for watching sunsets or taking a break from the hustle of the main streets. Just off the beach and weaving through the neighborhood are Waikiki's vibrant shopping and entertainment districts. Waikiki Beach Walk is a pedestrian-friendly plaza with a mix of boutique shops, local artisans, and restaurants where you can find clothing, jewelry, and Hawaii-inspired gifts. Not far away are luxury brand stores and larger retail experiences along Kalakaua Avenue and nearby, showcasing fashion, surf gear, and more for all tastes. The area also hosts regular cultural activities like free hula lessons, lei making, and ukulele sessions at public spots, adding an authentic Hawaiian flair to the visitor experience. Waikiki's dining scene is equally dynamic, ranging from casual local favorites to upscale beachfront restaurants. Close to the Modern, you'll find local hotspots for quick bites with local charm. Beyond Waikiki itself, the nearby Ala Moana Center is one of the largest open-air shopping destinations in the world, with restaurants, designer stores, and entertainment options.